It's your girl Shelly Mae, and this is like the third video in this top, so let's get into it, right? Thank y'all for watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't followed me on IG, I have two of them. I have the fitness one, which you'll see a lot more fitness videos from my Train with Shelly series, and more of me, okay? So my fitness page is FitXShelly, and my personal page is @Shelly92. Each page link is in the other one's bio, so it's really easy to hop from page to page to follow on Instagram and keep up with more of my day-to-day life. So this video, as you read, is a what's in the cabinet wash and go, because as someone who tries different hair products a lot, or even as someone who just like randomly needs to do something to their hair quickly, I feel like this is something that everyone probably does, but no one really ever, I've never heard anyone talk about it, right? So here I am. This is a what is in the cabinet, a wash and go that I have going on right here. I did not plan on making this video at all. I just noticed that these curls are pretty popping, so I'm gonna just let y'all know what I did to get these. So I've been saying this a lot. It's probably like my fourth time saying this. What's in the cabinet, wash and go. So today what we had in the cabinet was the last little bit. I literally had to go pick this out of the trash can because, like I said, I was not planning on filming this because this was empty. So I only had a little bit of this. I'm holding it upside down. I only had a little bit of this left. This is the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Nourishing and Conditioning Original Leave-In Moisturizer. Whoa, I wanted to say moisturizing with nourishing and combine those two words, but y'all see how that did not work. So I used this. This really is what defined these curls here, okay? For whatever reason, my hair really likes this. As a conditioning treatment, I use, as you see, I don't have a lot of this left. That's why it's upside down, because that's how I keep it in my cabinet, upside down, since there's not a lot. And if you go back, scroll down a ways to when I actually did the silk press with this, you'll hear my comments on the bottles and how I don't like the packaging or whatever, or how thick the product is. But as a refresher, I hate how thick the product is compared to how much you can squeeze out at a time. And when your hands get all oil, slippery from having product on them, from doing other sections, it gets hard to get it out. So I always just take the top off, but I make sure I have it upside down. Y'all know I got dogs. And you can hear one of them that's got my attention. Like, why is she complaining or growling out the other dog? So I use this as well. And then I also use I'm probably going to butcher this, whatever. This stuff here, the honey and ginger styling gel as my gel. I didn't put any oil. It's gonna sound real bad. I didn't put any oil in my hair. That's because this was just for today. Like, I'm about to, I just need my hair down and done for a couple hours. I'm actually about to wash my hair and blow dry it because tomorrow I'm doing braid install, which I have a video on that as well if you want to check that out and how I did my braids. And then I also have a maintenance video on how I maintain my braids and talking about like the differences between some stuff. If you want to check that out, please do. Go ahead. But, so the way I layered my hair is I started with the Carol's Daughter, and then I did the Design Essentials, and then, of course, rounded everything out with the gel. I'm getting stuff all over my pants. I'm just going to drop these gently on my unforgiving concrete floor. So, let's talk about how this came out, and let me get y'all a closer look at what's popping here, okay? And shrinkage is real. My hair shrinks up really oddly, as you can like see in the back. It's a bit shorter and gives me that like a symmetric kind of look going on, kind of bob. And someone today asked me, it's like, is your hair cut in a bob? That's just the way this shrank up. So yeah, so this is day one. I've actually done this before with these products. So that's how I knew kind of like what to grab when I was in a crunch, because I was in a rush. So so I'm like trying to figure out what I'm saying next. But this product combo is so popping. It's just like it's an unexpected find. So that's why I wanted to do this video, because I'm just like, dang, this really got my hair popping. Like, what? Ooh, which I noticed in the last video on the Clinique. So if you watch like to the end, you'll see me be like, and and that's what I was thinking, like, I put that bottle in the trash and I gotta go get it if I want to film. So, but the trash is just right outside my door because we have LA. But that's neither here or there. Y'all understand I get off on tangents so easily. But back to these curls. So, as you can see, like right now, my hair is really defined and popping. I just have this side tucked with a little clip here because that's how I like it. They're just so pretty. If I wanted this hair to last a couple days, I would have used oil, but since I was just real quick, fast, in a hurry, like I said, I'm about to wash it and blow dry it so that I don't have to do that portion tomorrow. It is stiff wear. It just falls right back, baby. We love it. So it's an unexpected find. And as you run out of products, you start, mixing them with other things, just, extend them, get some use out of them, get the last little bit out of the bottle. Or if you didn't really like the product so much, but it's kind of all that you have left right now, it's always great to take, what you have and pull something together, because you might be surprised at how it turns out, because baby, popping. So, and I didn't really do much to define these curls either, so I've layered everything, but before I put the gel in, I did a little bit of a detangle with a wide tooth comb, and then I put the gel on and went in with a flat brush. So I didn't go in with a Denman or anything that's like specialized to make your curls pop. Just a flat brush, flat wet brush, whatever you want to call it. And this is the result: super defined curls, and they're not really coily, because as my hair has gotten longer, it doesn't coil as much as it used to. And that's not due to heat damage. It's just my hair changes as it gets longer. So as gravity is pulling it down more, my hair doesn't do so much of a coil. Unless I do go in with a Denman, and then it'll have more of a coil with it. Every method is different. So, and I also get way more shrinkage in the back than I do in the front. That's why I kind of get a little bit of asymmetric look, especially on this side. Just kind of tugging, trying to get this thing to drop with a little bit more length. But I don't know what that was. I was like picking my leg up, and I don't know why. I was just falling over standing still. We're just gonna leave it at that. I'm clumsy. But yes, like I was saying earlier, it's very important to me to get the most use out of every product that I buy, even if I may not like how the product works within its product line. It might play better with products from other lines on your hair. Not saying that there's something wrong with the product line that it was originally designed with.